So we want to bring out the thread that is stuck in our hook, our machine hook. So without loosening the hook, we'll gradually and carefully loosen these 3 screws that are attached to this part of the hook. So do it carefully and cautiously so you do not lose the screws at the end of the day. Okay, so loosen it like so. Clockwise is tightening, counterclockwise is loosening. Yeah. So we now bring out that cover and slide carefully the short tool in the hook. Slide in, push the short tool gradually to release the thread so you can bring it out. You see that? Good. We'll now bring out the thread. It's that simple. So now that we are done, we will now cover back. Okay, so gently you make sure you guide the screws. Don't tighten it completely, that's what it means. So guide the screws carefully and gently. Again, make sure you do not lose any of these screws. They are very, very important. So once you are done guiding the screws, you now tighten them completely. Okay, now tighten them. Like so. Okay, we will now put back the hook guide to hang at this point of the short tool. Right, so raise it up like so, place it in position, and you push back the hook guide. You check like this,